Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide data with icon set in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So in this data, I'm going to hide the price column. So simply select the data, simply select the column and go to the Home tab. Styles group, click on the conditional formatting option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the icon sets. And here select the last option, more rules. Click on it. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, new formatting rule. The first option, select a rule type. So I select here the first option, format all cell based on their values. And here the edit the rules description. So you can edit here the description. Okay. The format all cell based on their values, the rule type, and format style is icon set. So here I am going to hide the data with the icon set. So selected option is icon set here required. Okay. Reverse icon order. These are the icon. If you want to reverse order, just click on the reverse. You can see it's reversed. See the changes here, reverse the order. Okay. Icon style, just click on this drop down arrow. You can select here the different type of style. Just drag below and you can see scroll down below and you can check here the different style of icon. If you want to set the different one, click on it and see the changes. Icon style is changed. Okay. Show icon only. Just click on this box. Okay. Then display each icon according to these rules. Okay. First icon, when value is greater than is equal to 67. So you can edit this value also. I just click on the type. So click on this drop down arrow and select here number. Okay, because these are the number. Okay, so I enter here the value 50. When value is greater than is equal to 50, then icon will display first one. So second icon, when value is less than 50 and greater than is equal to 33. So here I first change the type of number. So I just select the type is number. Then enter the here 30 value. Okay, 30. Press the tab. Okay. Then for third icon, when value is less than 30. Again, I explain you, show you. See, the first icon display when value is greater than is equal to 50. It means in selected column, those value is greater than is equal to 50, the icon will show the first one, green one. Okay. So where is the is equal to 50 first one? Third one is equal to 50. And this is so is equal to 50 and greater than 50, 60. So this value will show icon number first. Okay. Okay. Display icon number first. And for icon number second, when value is less than 50 and greater than is equal to 30. In selected column, you can see the greater than and is equal to 30, 30, 40 also because greater than 30 and less than 50 is include the 40 also. Okay. So this value show the icon number second. And the third icon when value is less than 30. You can see in this column, not any available value, those are less than 30. Okay, all value is greater than 30, so less than 30, and third icon will not show on any cell. Okay, so I just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see all values hide. Okay, so when you click on the any cell and if you want to check the amount, you can check here in formula bar 30. Okay, suppose I enter here 10 is less than 30. I enter here 10 and tap the value. See the red one icon is showing here. Less than 30 is third rule is showing here for third icon. Okay. So this is a way you can easily hide the values with the icon sets in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.